Have you ever noticed something strange about aging? For years, your body feels stable. Your energy is good, your skin looks healthy, and recovery from stress or workouts seems easy. But then something happens. Somewhere around your 40s, things start changing faster than expected. Wrinkles appear more quickly, weight becomes harder to manage, and your energy levels don't feel the same. It can almost feel like your body suddenly pressed the fast-forward button on aging. But this isn't just perception. There are real biological changes happening inside your body that explain why aging seems to accelerate after 40. Most people imagine aging as a slow, steady process, but science suggests something different. Research shows that aging often happens in waves rather than gradually. Certain biological systems shift together at specific ages. Around the early 40s, several systems in the body begin changing at the same time. Metabolism, hormones, cellular repair, and inflammation all start adjusting simultaneously. When these changes overlap, the effects become noticeable very quickly. That's why many people suddenly feel older within just a few years. Every second, your body is repairing itself. Trillions of cells are constantly replacing damaged molecules, fixing DNA errors and removing toxins created by normal metabolism. When you're young, this repair system works extremely efficiently. Your body can recover quickly from stress, injury, and fatigue. But as we age, the repair process gradually slows down. Damage accumulates slightly faster than the body can fix it. Over time, that imbalance begins to affect tissues throughout the body. One fascinating discovery scientists have made involves something called senescent cells. These are sometimes called zombie cells. These cells stop functioning properly but don't die like normal. Damaged cells should. Instead, they remain inside tissues and release inflammatory chemicals that affect nearby cells. When we are younger, the immune system removes these cells quickly. But with age, they begin accumulating in the body. Over time, these zombie cells contribute to aging signs like wrinkles, joint stiffness, and slower healing. Another major change after 40 involves metabolism. Metabolism is the system that converts food into usable energy. In your younger years, metabolism is flexible and efficient. Your body burns calories quickly and adapts easily to changes in diet or activity. But as we age, the body becomes more conservative with energy use. This means fewer calories are burned at rest. As a result, even small changes in diet or activity can lead to noticeable weight gain. Inside every cell in your body are tiny structures called mitochondria. These structures are responsible for producing energy for the body. Scientists often describe them as the power plants of the cell. When mitochondria are working well, cells have plenty of energy to repair themselves and perform their functions. But as we age, mitochondrial efficiency begins to decline. This means less energy is produced and more oxidative stress is generated. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate many important systems in the body. They control metabolism, muscle growth, mood, sleep, and fat storage. Around age 40, several key hormones begin shifting. In men, testosterone gradually declines over time. In women, estrogen levels begin fluctuating as menopause approaches. These hormonal changes influence how the body stores fat, maintains muscle, and regulates energy levels. One of the most important aging processes that begins after 40 is muscle loss. This process is called sarcopenia. Muscle tissue naturally declines over time if it is not actively maintained. Because muscle burns more calories than fat, losing muscle also slows metabolism. This creates a cycle where the body burns less energy and stores more fat. Many people assume weight gain is purely about diet, but muscle loss plays a major role. The skin also undergoes major changes after 40. One of the biggest reasons is the decline in collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining skin structure and elasticity. It keeps skin firm and smooth. As collagen levels drop, the skin becomes thinner and less elastic. Over time, wrinkles and sagging become more visible. Environmental factors like sun exposure and stress can accelerate this process. Another hidden driver of aging is chronic inflammation. Scientists sometimes refer to this process as inflammaging. As the immune system ages, it becomes slightly more reactive. Instead of shutting down completely after dealing with threats, it stays partially activated. This low-level inflammation slowly damages tissues throughout the body, including blood vessels, joints, and organs. Sleep also changes as we age. Many people notice they wake up more frequently during the night or feel less rested in the morning. One reason for this is that the body produces less melatonin over time. Melatonin is the hormone that regulates sleep cycles. Since sleep is when the body performs many repair processes, poor sleep can accelerate aging. Stress is another powerful factor that influences aging speed. When the body experiences stress, it releases the hormone cortisol. Short bursts of cortisol are helpful because they help the body respond to challenges. But when stress becomes chronic, cortisol levels remain elevated. High cortisol levels can increase belly fat, disrupt sleep, weaken muscles, and accelerate cellular aging. Scientists now talk about something called biological age. Your chronological age is simply the number of years you have lived, but your biological age reflects how well your body is functioning internally. Two people who are both 45 years old can have very different biological ages depending on lifestyle, diet, sleep, and physical activity. The encouraging news is that many aging processes can be slowed through healthy habits. Strength training helps maintain muscle and metabolic health. Eating nutrient-dense food supports cellular repair. Regular movement improves circulation and energy production. And consistent sleep helps regulate hormones and inflammation. Aging after 40 may feel sudden, but it's actually the result of multiple systems changing together. Cellular repair slows, hormones shift, muscle declines, and inflammation increases. But the most important thing to remember is that aging is not entirely out of your control. The choices you make every day can influence how your body responds to time.